What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I wanted to cover the COWSWAP DEX and about the airdrop that they have been that there has been rumored going around saying it's going to happen. If you like this content, please hit the like and subscribe, and let's dive into it. So what I wanted to do today was just talk about the COWSWAP airdrop that's going to be going on, because there's been a big misconception about people coming on using the XDAI blockchain, interacting with this protocol, thinking that's going to get them eligible for the airdrop. And I was one of those too. I came on here using XDAI and thinking I was good to go. I've done some research digging around in their Discord, and from what I've seen, they're having problems with liquidity on the XDAI system. So they're making it to where you have to do trades on Ethereum. And I know that's terrible. I know it sucks because the gas fees are atrocious. So what you want to do is you want to come on here and you want to make sure you are doing Ethereum mainnet. You do not want to do XDAI. You would not be eligible. So what you want to do is you want to come on here. You want to wrap your ETH. You can either do it on this exchange or you can do it before. And you want to come in here and you want to exchange for Genosis token, GNO. I don't know what correlation they have with COWSWAP or anything like that, but the airdrop is going to be specifically for GNO holders. So what you want to do is you want to come on here and trade your wrapped ETH for GNO tokens and just hodl it. Just hold GNO tokens in your wallet that you have gotten through COWSWAP, and you will be eligible for the airdrop. I was digging through the GNO form and ran across this. It says, as a GNO holder, you will be entitled to participate in the COWSWAP's airdrop. GNO token holders will get up to 20% of the total supply of the COWSWAP token. And it goes on down here to explain how they'll be distributed amongst the holders. And the biggest thing is, I wanted to let you guys know, is that you still have time to do so. It says the snapshot has not been taken yet, and it's likely to be done in early January. Well, it says January, but from the research I've done in the Discord, they're talking about doing it in early January. You know, they're not directly saying when it's going to happen, but, you know, the hints are pretty obvious. So this is basically confirming that the airdrop is going to happen. Just like I said, go on here, make sure you're on Ethereum, you know, wrap your Ethereum and trade it for GNO tokens and just hold it. And also what you can do is click this, go to profile, and down here you can keep track. And this was another thing. When I was using the XDAI blockchain to do things, this was not popping up. So the profile overview was not updating when I was using XDAI. So I was wondering, I was like, what the hell is going on? And that's what made me go do some research and find out that you have to be on the Ethereum blockchain. So once you do your trades, you'll see them pop up here. You know, you ain't got to do much. You can see I've only done $113 with 3 trades. Make sure you try to do more than 1 trade, you know, just to show you're active. And, you know, that'll all pop up here. And another thing that you can, I don't know if this will count towards the airdrop, but you know, it would make sense. This referral link right here, you can share it. And if you refer people, you get referral bonuses. So I'm not sure if that will add on extra to the airdrop or what, but, you know, it never hurts. But anyway, that's all I got for us, guys. I just wanted to bring this to you because people have been going around saying, oh, if you use XDAI, you'll be eligible for the airdrop, and that's not true. Just go on here. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before you do any of this. It's not guaranteed, even though, you know, we found this and they're talking about it. It's still not guaranteed. We could get on here and do something wrong and not be eligible. So just please do your own research before you jump into anything. That's all I got for us today. Please hit the like and subscribe on the way out, and I appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.